Hi guys, and today I am going to be, reviewing / looking at this train set, the Flying Scotsman one. It gives you a little bit of history down here, so if you can read that all. Tell you what it comes with. It's quite an old box. It came out in 2002, I believe. Got this from Index many years ago. Index doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, the next up will be a brief history, and then I'll show you what's actually in this set. The Flying Scotsman train set has been a staple of Hornby's catalogue for many years, dating as far back as the 70s as a train set, minus a few years in between, and all the way up to, I believe, 2010, maybe later. Had many variants on rolling stock. Some had 4 coaches, some had 3 coaches. Mainly straights and oval was with it. And I believe it always had the Flying Scotsman as a loco. And many different covers too. So yeah, this is what you get. Just a general look. You get a track mat there, which I will put a picture up now of what you get, which track mat it should be. You get a power pack and controller. You get 2 buffer stops, as they call them. You get the loco itself. You get 2 composite brake and 2 composite coaches as well in this set, as well as a good oval of track and 2 sidings as well, and 2 power power connectors that are on my layout. I don't want to take them off. So that's what you get. Overall, it's a lovely set. I've had many hours of fun with it. They're quite well detailed if you look. Pretty well detailed. The loco is just the same, but technically now the loco is railroad. There's no glazing, but I'm not bothered. It's a lovely loco and it's one I really like. So yeah, that's it. And next up is a running session and maybe some history. On the back of the box it tells you what pack you get. So basically the Flying Scotsman one is pack B. That's basically what you get. And there are all the others you can do. And it tells you what you could get if you worked hard. Here is some information on the Flying Scotsman, the train, and not the loco. The Flying Scotsman is a express train service that operated between Edinburgh and London, the capitals of Scotland and England, via the East Coast Main Line. The service began in 1862. The name was officially adopted in 1924 and is currently operated by Virgin Trains East Coast. Locomotives. As a major link between the capital cities of England and Scotland, the Flying Scotsman was an extremely long and heavy train, especially in the days before road and air transport became common. As such, it required a very powerful locomotive. Locomotive used to haul, and in some cases, specifically designed to haul, the Flying Scotsman have included the Stirling-Stingle, Great Northern, 1870, the Ivet C-Class, Great Northern, 1897, the first British Atlantic, Grizzlies A1s and A3s Pacifics, Alinea 1922, and Flying Scotsman was one of them that was named after the service. The A4s, Pacific Alinea 1935, and the holder of this steam rail speed record, which is the Mallard. British Railways Class 55 Deltics, BR 1961. British Railway Intercity Class 125 BR 1976. British Railway Intercity 225 BR90. GNER from 1996 to 2000. National Express Coast from December 2007 till November 2009. East Coast from November 2009 to March 2015, and Virgin Trains East Coast from April 2015. So yeah, that's it on the tracks. I hope you enjoyed the history. I ran a little bit. So yeah, that's it on the tracks, like I said. I thought I'd just run it with the 4 characters you get with the set I had. I do have more stock to go with it, but I thought I'd just do that. So here it goes. Not bad for a tender loco. Not bad at all, really not bad, just past the 9. So yeah guys, that's a little mini running session now. I thought I'd do some high speed at the end. Yeah, it's not a bad set. So yeah, I'm pleased I had it. Don't know what you guys think, please let me know. Yeah, I thought I'd show off some of the locos that pulled the Flying Scotsman. As you can see here, we have this Sterling single, which is Bachman. We have the Hornby Mallard, we have the Hornby Great Northern, and then we have the Bachman Dwight D. Eisenhower. Yeah, I have got a Sterling single on the way. It's just Rapids are taking a time with it. It should be here January, to say, in first quarter of next year. So yeah, that'd be nice to see what it can do. If you really want a good video on the Flying Scotsman train history, check out John Cham's 123 channel. I shall put his description to his video of the Flying Scotsman in the bottom, in the description area, or in the eye. Please check out if you want to know more. Mine's just a basic view of the train set and a little bit of history. So guys, if you have any requests or anything, please let me know and I'll try and get around to doing them. I have a few, I think I've done them now. But until next time guys, please take care, and it's goodbye from them and it's goodbye from me guys. Bye.